Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla down 20 bucks and 46 cents, minus 2.98%, so minus 3% almost. We closed at 665.71. Post-market, we seem to be up by 25 cents. Let's look at this. Let's look at this disaster. Tesla had been in a bullish channel, sometimes doing an ascending triangle like we have here, sometimes doing a congestion zone like we had here over here. And we broke out several days ago. We broke out of 700 and we seem to be going straight across with a little bit of a congestion zone, a smaller congestion zone here. And last Thursday, the stock seemed to be running up quite high, and also last Friday, but last Friday the stock was pushed down under 725 and could not break it. Then this week, yesterday, then we broke 700 and basically came to the double support that we have here, and today, boom, under that support. Yes, with a long wick at the bottom. There has been some buying pressure during the day, but basically we are under that support here. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. This is what we have here. So we opened today lower. So this is where we closed yesterday. We bounced on this support. At around 680 or something. This is a diagonal support, so I cannot give a precise number because that number changes with the time frame. It seems like we were going up a little bit, but stochastic was still super down. Stochastic was at 15, and basically this confirmed the weakness in the stock. So today we opened quite low. We opened at 670, went down to 648, and now we are coming back up a little bit. So we are coming back up a little bit. Stochastic on the hour chart is at 21, so still not super high. What we might be doing is just a little bit of a pullback, but the question is, are we going to keep going down? So I am tempted to do this resistance like this. So if I do a resistance like this, we are coming today right onto this resistance again. So are we going to break it tomorrow? It's possible that we break it tomorrow. It's possible that 654 was a low, and now we are going to be recovering from that support here. Nothing is sure though, nothing is sure. MACD has not crossed over bullish. So from a MACD perspective, this little pullback that we had in the last 2 hours, it does not mean that things have changed or that a new trend has formed. Let's go to the daily chart here. So from the daily chart, we had a support at 667. I'm going to put it back on. It was grayed out. So 667 had been a support that was used in the past. So it seems like it is being used right now, even though we are just a little bit under it at 665.71 hour closed. So maybe we are going to hang on to this 667, maybe, but it's still possible that we also go down to 624. It's really possible. We might be making a pause on 667 and then continue down. That's possible. If I look at the stochastic is still plunging. So we are at 37 for the stochastic. So we just came down under 50. So I'm going to be putting back a red thumb down. Yesterday, I put the red thumb down for the crossover bearish. MACD crossed over bearish, and now also DMI crossed over bearish because of this move. The move was so big that DMI said, okay, That's it for now. This is a bear trend for now. Yeah, entirely possible that we reach 624. This is why I do technical analysis. Because if you do fundamental analysis, if you do only fundamental analysis, you will pull your air out because you will be thinking, the company had a great last quarter. What is happening? The stock should be going sky high. Yes, I completely agree with you, but the reality is that there are so many factors in what will make a stock go up or down that we cannot understand all of those factors. We have option traders, we have people that think about inflation, we have people that believe in Tesla and that are buying every dip. We have these people. We have, what's her name? We have Cathy Wood from ARK Invest that is super long Tesla. There are so many factors that can influence the price of a stock, and many of those factors are not even, I would say, facts. The facts are facts, but the narrative behind the facts are different. We have short sellers, we have Tesla short sellers that even though they see the same fundamental data, the same earning calls data as we do, they see something else. They have a different narrative to explain those numbers, and that narrative is negative. What can we say? Facts are facts, but the interpretation of those facts is just subjective. This is how the world works. Fundamental analysis is great because we know that Tesla is going to be a great company. It's fine. Tesla is going to be a great company if Elon does not die, if the economy stays good. So Tesla will be a great company, but the stock will be moving up and down based on many different things. So when we do technical analysis, we just look at the facts. So when we see the stock coming towards support and going back up, we can enter there. We don't care for the reasons why the stock is moving up and changing trend or entering a bullish trend. We hop in and we ride it out until we see another change in trend. And this is why I'm a technical analysis guy, because I made money on the way up and I got out, and I'm gonna let the stock go down and I'm gonna purchase when it's gonna be down, and I'm gonna make money on the way up again. That's my strategy. If it's not your strategy, you should not be looking at my videos. If you want to buy and hold, you can buy and hold. And if you buy and hold, you don't need to look at your stock chart every single day. You can look at your stock chart once every 6 months or once every year or once every 10 years if you really believe in the company. Yeah, there you go. I'm not mad. I'm just expressing myself. Yes, so maybe 624, maybe 667. We are going to need to take a look at tomorrow to see where things are at. Thank you very much for bearing with me. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month to watch my exclusive weekly technical analysis for Tesla and Palantir I do every weekend. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.